on the next episode. Why am I looking like this?
Oh man. Where does the keys at? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing this M4 Style Spoiler from Keys Motorsports. I decided, after I had ordered the M Performance, I decided that I wanted something a little bit more aggressive, so he came in clutch with this one. So we're going to be installing this. It's going to be a simple install, and let me go ahead and show you guys how the trunk looks now. So here we have the trunk without a spoiler, and just to show you guys how it's going to sit. Let's see here. So I already did a test fit, so it's a near perfect, actually it's a perfect fit. You got the, going to line that up right here. Let's go check out this side over here. So we're just going to shift it, and there we go. So no spoiler has ever came to the edge. I think that's how they all sit, but it has a nice little kick to it, very subtle, and it kind of gives it that illusion of what the M4 trunks have, kind of like that duckbill. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I do not have a tripod, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down and then just kind of show you guys how the outcome looks like after I put it on there. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and I didn't really get to show you guys the spoiler. So here it is, fully mounted on there. Here's a different angle. I like the angle from right here. So it wraps around the bumper, and then it creates like a little gap right here, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So quick little story before I end the video. So on the way over here to Florida, my splitter was actually about to come out. I was about to lose that thing. It was luckily holding by one bolt. So as you guys know, I was kind of trying to rush this, but something like this, you know, it's a simple install, but I got one screw in, and I guess one screw out, since it was already late, I think it was like 12 o'clock at night that I was doing this thing. So I didn't line it up with the holes over here. So I guess the screw didn't go in all the way, and over time it worked its way out. So that came out. The double-sided tape gave out as well, and luckily that screw held on and I was able to save it. So I'm about to go ahead and install that real quick, wipe down the car a little bit. I did drive it last night, but it's really not that bad. So I thought I was gonna have to rinse it again, but we should be good to go. What's going on, guys? So this is L from the future. So the clips that you guys saw were probably from I want to say maybe 4 weeks ago, when I was down in Florida for BMW Invasion. So I really didn't get to finish this video, and I'm finally getting around to getting it completed. I've gotten a couple of questions, messages and comments about the spoiler. I figured I might as well go ahead and push the video out. This is gonna be a short video, so it's not very long, but I just figured I'd show you guys how the fitment is and everything. I'll have the link down below. This is from Keys Motorsports. This is the M4 Style Spoiler. Fitment was perfect, and the finish is really good. So let me show you how the spoiler looks from different angles. Bam. Right there. Down below. There you guys have it. If you want a nice little kick, nothing too crazy like the PSM style, I highly recommend that you guys grab this one. It's a good spoiler to have if you want an aggressive look, or if you want a clean look. So you can use it for either one. Link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.